Hello, we're on lesson 21 and we're starting with reading time. So read and write the time under each clock. Number 1, we have, so the first thing that we have to look at is the minute hand. It is the longer one, and the hour hand is the shorter hand over here. And we have to know that 12 is 0. So when it's at 12, the minute would be 0, 0. And then, so it goes by 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. And 55 plus 5 is 60, but we just write it as 0. So when we look at the minute hand over here, the longer one, it is pointing at 12, which means that it would be 0, 0. So we write 0, 0 over here. And then for the hour, to find the hour, we have to look at the shorter hand over here. And we don't use these. We look at the numbers inside. So that would be 3. So we just write 3 because it's pointing at 3, right? Let's try the other one. Let's try number 4. Here we have to find the minute hand. So we're going to find the minute hand first. When we look at it, that would be 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then it goes on. So when we look at the minute hand, it is pointing at 6. That means 30, right? So you put 30. The minute hand is the longer one. And we're going to find the hour. And it points over here between 6 and 7. And we have to put the 1. So if it's over here, 6 is over here and the 7 goes from here. So if it's between 6 and 7 over here, it means that it's 6. So if it's over here, that would be 12. Here it would be 1. And then this would be 2, this would be 3, 4, 5, and then it goes on. So if it's pointing between 6 and 7, it means that it's 6. So the answer would be 6:30. Page number 2, we have fact family. Complete each family of facts. Let's try number 3. We have 10 and 6 and 4. So we have to write these numbers. First, the smaller ones. So we do 6 plus 4 equals 10. And it works the other way. So we do 4 plus 6 is 10. Now since this is subtraction, we have to start with the largest number. The largest number is 10. So we do 10 minus, just choose any number. So we're going to do 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. And it works the other way, so we do 10 minus 4 is 6. But this number has to be the greatest number. Okay? Also over here. The next page we have comparing coins. Let's try number 2. So we have a penny, and a nickel. We're comparing them, so we put 1, that's 1 cent, 1 cent, and a nickel is 5 cents. Now we're gonna count these and compare. So this one is 1 dime, and a dime is 10. This is another dime, so that'll be 10. The next one is a penny, so we put 1, and another dime, so that's 10. So we're gonna do 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So altogether it's 7. And this one is 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 plus 10 is 31. So that would be 31. So 31 is bigger than 7. So we put that. Okay. Now, the word problems. Number 1, we have Wendy has 39 marbles. Julia has 15 more marbles than Wendy. How many marbles does Julia have? So we put 39. Julia has 15 more marbles than Wendy. That means we have to add 15 to find how many marbles Julia has. 5. So 9 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we put 14, 4, and we don't write it like that. We put it above the 3. 1 plus 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's 54 marbles.